We're going to be doing a run of the S&P 500. So if you look right up here in the back, we have the S&P 500. So this is just a recap coming up in the stocks for the next week. If you look right here, we have a 180-day 4-hour chart. Now we've come up. This was back in April 20th. We came down. So if you see here, this blue line right through here, and I'll highlight it. These blue lines are exponential moving averages, and this green line is a simple moving average. That yellow line is a 200-day moving average. So our 180-day and our 200 moving averages, green and yellow lines, they're still moving up, and yeah, they've paralleled, but look at this. Back in February, we had a huge drop-off. I think most people are aware of this. We had a huge drop-off back in February at the beginning of the year, and it was very scary. A lot of people thought we were going to go into a recession. But we recovered, then we dropped off again, and now we've slowly been recovering. But we've dropped off, but our drop-off is still at a higher point than previous drop-offs. So yeah, we could head back down to February levels. But look at this. If we zoom in, what do you see right here? I see an ascending uptrend pattern coming back in with the S&P. Yeah, we have a huge drop-off, but now we're climbing up. You see right here, we're climbing up. We've dropped off, and now I predict we're going to climb back up. So this has been my interpretation of the S&P 500 for the US economy. Now, some indicators we want to pay attention to are GDP, which GDP is the highest it's been in the fourth quarter. The highest fourth quarter GDP we've had in, I think in a while. It might be that. I think it might be ever though. And the Chinese economy has been suffering. But as soon as the Chinese economy picks up, that's going to have a huge influence. But I think we can still grow even with the Chinese economy being as rough as it is. So I am bullish for the next upcoming week for the S&P 500. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos from Investment Coach Chris.